Guys, Nozilla from Outsider Garage. Going to be showing you some cool ways to upgrade your throttle body to drive-by-wire for the Nissan Skyline and RB series of engines. Hey guys, so you've got an RB, you slapped on an aftermarket intake manifold, you got a Haltech, a Link, or any ECU that's capable of doing drive-by-wire, and you want to make the upgrade. How do you do it? Well, in this video I'm going to show you how. So we've been spending some time doing some research, gathering manifolds, getting templates for throttle bodies, and making some conversion brackets to mount up these very popular Bosch 82mm drive-by-wire throttle bodies that are off a factory Porsche 911 GT3 RS. Now, 82mm throttle body is a pretty big throttle body, but it is a step down from what you normally receive on something like this, which is normally comes with a 90mm cable actuated throttle body. So that should help with responsiveness, and it's not going to limit your top end power on a manifold like this. And again, the concept of bigger is better does not always apply when it comes to throttle bodies. So I'll show you some of the stuff we've been working on. We have made an adapter kit for the Plasma Man. This is for the Plasma Man with the 85mm throttle body on it. Ready to adapt the 82mm Bosch. Comes with a groove to be O-ring sealed to the manifold. This adapter is for the zero fab manifold for the 90mm bolt pattern. This adapter is for the Greddy and Freddy manifolds, again sealed with an O-ring. And this would be your typical, I guess it's the Q45 throttle body flange. These are all going to come with a factory steel gasket from Bosch for the 82mm throttle body. And here's the throttle body right here. And these are great construction. It's an OEM part, easy to replace, modern. Will be coming with pigtails, all set up for the pedal and the throttle, courtesy of Wiring Specialties. Going to be all stainless steel hardware. This is one of the kits that we're just beginning to assemble. And then, so you're probably thinking to yourself, okay, so we have the manifold side. We've got a couple different manifold options. Good throttle body. What about a pedal? So here we have a Nissan 350Z drive-by-wire pedal. This is pretty nice. This would be a nice upgrade to put in an R32. We got a nice metal, looks like a brushed aluminum pedal there. Brand new hardware. Brand new sensor. You got the pigtail for the sensor. So what we found is trying to mount a 350Z pedal into an R32 Skyline, an R chassis. But these pedals are made actually for a left-hand drive car. So you can see how from the mounting points that the pedal is actually offset to the left. So if you were to mount this directly to the firewall in the OEM position as an R32 pedal, this pedal will be damn near close to your brake, which isn't ideal. So what we did to make things easier on everybody, I know one of the solutions is just to bend the hell out of this bracket, which we didn't want to have our customers do that. So we developed this billet bracket, which allows you to bolt it right up to the OEM spot, and it moves the pedal back into the desired position. So these brackets will come with mounting hardware, and ideally ordered with the pedal. So we'll have the engine bay side as a kit, and we'll have the pedal as an option, and everything is going to be ready and packed up and be on the site, hopefully by the end of this week. All right, guys, check it out. OutsiderGarage.com.